We previously reported 2 people were found dead inside a home last Friday with no telling how long they'd been there. Way 31 reporter Julia Miller has the very latest from neighbors.
Neighbors tell me they aren't surprised at what happened here last Friday. One neighbor tells me he heard odd noises coming from next door all week long. Now, last Friday, Decatur Police responded to a wellness check on the 1800 block of 5th Avenue. When they arrived, they found 2 people dead inside the home. I spoke to neighbor Ronald Jordan today, who has lived next door since 2016. He said he knew the man who lived next door, but he recently noticed a woman move in about 10 months ago. He said he never had an issue with either of them, but he did find it suspicious that his neighbor didn't leave the house once last week.
He wasn't coming outside. He didn't come outside none last week. But he was. I seen him in the house walking around though, but he wasn't outside though. He used to come outside and work in the yard, but not doing it right now.
Police tell us this is still an ongoing investigation, but believe this could be an isolated incident. Now, as we learn more about this, we'll keep you updated on air and online at WayTV.com. Reporting in Decatur with coverage you can count on, Julia Miller, Way 31 News.